children, how are you? Children, in this video I am going to continue with exercise 12.1 of chapter 12 factorization of class A. Okay, coming to the second question, we have to factorize the following expression. Okay, and the first part is we have to factorize 7x minus 42. So children, let's see how to do it. We can apply the method of common factors here, okay, in order to factorize this algebraic expression. Okay, so we have 7x minus 42. Okay, so how to factorize? 7x can be written as 7 into x or 7x only, and 42 can be written as 7 into 6, and 7 6 are 42. So you can see now here also we have 7 as one of the factor, and here also 7 as one of the factor. Okay, so क्योंकि 7 is available in both the terms, so we can take 7 as the common factor. Okay, so what will be left behind? क्योंकि this 7 is taken as common factor, we are left with x in the first term minus, and this 7 is also taken as a common factor, so in the second term we are left with 6. Okay, so the factorization of 7x minus 42 is 7 multiplied x minus 6. Okay, so this is the solution. Okay, coming to the second part, it is 6p minus 12q. Okay, we have to factorize 6p minus 12q. So 6p minus 12 can be written as 2 into 6q or 6 into 2q. Okay, so children, 6 is all here. In the first term we have got 6, and in the second term also we have 6 as one of the factor. Okay, so we can take 6 as common factor from both the terms. दोनों terms में हम 6 को common factor के form में ले सकते हैं. So 6 I took as a common factor. Okay, so what is left behind? We are left with p in the first term minus 2q in the second term. Okay, so we got the factors as 6 multiplied by p minus 2q. Okay, in the third part we have to factorize 7a square plus 14a. Okay, so 7a square can be written as a multiplied by a plus 14 can be written as 2 into 7 into a also you can write, or 7a also you can write. Okay, now see children, here in the first term also we have 7, and in the second term also we have 7. Okay, so 7 can be taken as a common factor. Common factor मतलब जो दोनों terms में मौजूद हैं, दोनों terms में present है. Okay, now here there are 2 a's, and here in the second term we have 1a. So at least 1a can be taken as common. So I will write a as one of the common factor also. So in the first term we are left with a single a. Why? Because 7a is taken as common, plus 2. In the second term we are left with only 2. Why? Because this 7a is taken as a common factor. Okay, so the factorization of 7a square plus 14a is 7a multiplied by a plus 2. Hello children, back to the video in a second, but before that I want to inform you all that I am taking online classes also. So if you are really liking my videos and you are okay with the explanation, so you can join the Telegram group of mine. The link is given in the description. Thank you. The fourth part of this is minus 67z plus 20z cube. We have to factorize it. Okay, so see, for 16 can be written as minus 4 into 4 into z plus 20 can be written as 4 into 5. Okay, आप इसको further break कर सकते हैं 2 into 2 into 2, but it's okay if you can take this as one of these bigger factors only. Okay, so 4 into 5 into z into z into z. Okay, now see children, we can take minus sign will not be common because here the second term is not having minus sign, so we cannot take minus as common. Okay, so we will take this 1 4 is present here, and here also 4 is present. At least 1 4 we can take as common, so 4. Okay, now here 1 z is there, and here 3 z's are there, z into z into z. So at least 1 z can be taken as common. Okay, so I'll take 1 z as common. Then what we are left with? In the first term we are left with minus 4. Why? Because this 4z is taken as common. Plus in the second term we are left with 5, and 1 z is here as common, so we are left with 2 z's, and 2 z into z is z square. Okay, so the factorization of this term minus 16z plus 20z cube is 4z multiplied by minus 4 plus 5z cube. Okay, children, the fifth part we have to factorize 20l square n plus 30 a l n. Okay, so 20l square n can be written as 2 into 10 into l into n plus 30 can be written as 3 multiplied by 10 into a, or multiplied l in multiplied n. Okay, now see what all the things we are having in common. In the first term we have 10, in the second term also we are having 10. So we can take 10 as the common factor. Okay, so here there are 2 l's. Okay, but here there is a single l's in the second term, so we can take at least 1 l as common. Okay, now a is present here, but in the first term a is not there, so we cannot take a as the common factor. Now here m is there, and in the second term also m is there, so we can take this m as the common factor. Okay, so we are left with, in the first term we are left with 2, this 10 is here, 1l and 1m, so we are left with 2l, plus in the second term we are left with 3a. Okay, so the factorization of 20l square n plus 30a ln is 10 ln multiplied by 2l plus 3a. So children, if you are fine and with the explanation, then kindly subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.